Don't look at me like that. Don't do it. I know. One, I look like a cockatoo. Two, I know I haven't posed on here in so long. So the only thing to honor that, the only right way to make up for it is to dry scoop thermo and take you to go hit some legs with me. So let's do that. New flavor, by the way. Juicy nectar, so. Do I need a full scoop? No. Am I gonna take a full scoop? Yes. Cheers. That's pretty good. No fucking way. Okay, let's go hit legs.